What's up? My name is Jordan and welcome to my channel. If you look below, you're gonna see a huge history of videos from me over the last 8 years or so. I used to be a driving coach and I have a lot of track videos, including me driving on the Nürburgring in Germany, which is definitely sweet, and me driving the best car I've ever driven, a Lexus LFA. So go check those out. But if you're looking forward and want to see more modern content, I'm gonna be putting out stuff for my Datsun 280Z and as well as my 2014 Porsche Cayman S. We'll be doing DIY restoration and modifications of these two cars. I also do a bit of welding and metal fabrication. So if any of these topics interest you, subscribe and I would love to see you at the next video. So enjoy looking through the stuff that I already have posted. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.